Hi Aquarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot. I thought I'd do a quick love check-in for you guys as I'm getting your July readings ready. Thank you all my subscribers. It's such a pleasure to hear from you. Your comments are fabulous and keeps me motivated. Thank you. And if you aren't one, hit the subscribe button, please. That'd be nice. Like the video if you like it and leave a comment if you can help me do anything more for you. So let's begin here. Dear God, goddesses, angels, spirit guides, please bless this reading for Aquarius and send us the message they need to hear the most. Thank you. So Aquarius, general energy readings will not resonate with all of you out there. So take what works for you and leave the rest. Also, time is fluid, so this is in your energy zone right now. So you could be going through this right now, will go through it, or this is coming up in your near future. So take it as you feel. What am I doing here? Yes, I'm doing the right thing. Oh, star. Wish is getting fulfilled or praying for something, Aquarius? Let's see. So, person 1, King of Cups in reverse. 6 of Wands. And the Tower in reverse. What happened here? Somebody played mind games? I'm going to call this person A and person B. So Aquarius, you decide which one you are. So there was somebody who was not very trustworthy and played probably mind games with you, didn't let you know exactly how they were feeling. Maybe had a lot of pride and ego as well. And this brought in a kind of a tower moment, which is maybe still happening. Person 2, the 5 of Swords. Mind games again, Magician, and the Wheel of Fortune. Okay, so there's some kind of battle going on here, where even person B is either feeling or has played mind games or power games, tried to beat the other person. They're trying to manifest a win for themselves and wishing for this Wheel of Fortune to turn in their favor. King of Pentacles, Queen of Swords, okay, and the 4 of Pentacles. Yes, there is some battle going on here, definitely, Aquarius. I'm going to start taking clarifiers, a few of them. King of Cups, Spirit. Sleepless nights, worrying, crying, wondering what to do about maybe this King of Cups who was emotionally distant. Somebody is very angry. Somebody is really angry at the moment. Maybe somebody was pompous, somebody was arrogant and greedy, selfish or something. Tower, Spirit. Yes, and this person got a whiff of it. This person got some kind of information which rocked their world. This is person 1. So person 2, why are you in the 5 of Swords? Why are you in this 5 of Swords here? Sorry, too many cards. 5 of Swords, Spirit. Somebody was defensive here, okay? Somebody decided that I don't want this anymore and was very harsh maybe as well and very mean. Again, I'm getting very mean fighting energy between the two of you here. One person is upset and angry, the other person is sneaky and mean and defensive. Magician. What's the Magician, Spirit? A same card. Okay, that's 5 of Swords is 7 of Swords. Yes, some cheating, lying behavior. One more card for the Magician, Spirit. Too many. One card. One more card, Spirit. Somebody played mischief here. Somebody played mischief in this relationship. And yes, there were mind games. There was some sneaky cheating behavior. Somebody tried to trick the other person. Yes, that's it. Wheel of Fortune. Okay, one more, Spirit. What is going on here? Somebody is trying to manifest, turn the wheel around for stability in their life, and their focus is on the money. Let's see the outcome. King of Pentacles spirit. Yes, this person wants everything for themselves. Okay, they are either feeling left out in the cold, or they are leaving somebody else out in the cold. Okay, they are trying to trick, one person is trying to trick the other out of some money or stability. Queen of Swords spirit. Queen of Swords spirit. Some quick communication is going to come from this Queen of Swords, who is very clear on what they want. This will be quick, clear communication which will be coming to say this one person has stopped fighting or is letting something go. Now what that is, you would know. From what I feel, it's money. Okay, so Four of Pentacles in reverse. Somebody letting go of something. What is this letting go, Spirit? One more card, please. Wheel of Fortune again. Change in fortune. Somebody is getting some money out of somebody. One more card, Spirit. I didn't expect this reading to go this long. I thought, but this is, yes, there is something being put to rest. Maybe it's a court case. Maybe you're getting something from the judge. There is rebirth happening in a situation. Judgment call being made for some Wheel of Fortune to turn in somebody's favor. There's a battle going on here regarding money and stability. Oops. All right. So let's just take one card. Anything they need to know right now? Yeah, somebody is going to walk away. Somebody is going to walk away. And will this be a good thing, Spirit, for Aquarius? Will this be a good thing? Too many cards, Spirit. Just give me one card, please. One card. Thank you. Yeah, somebody is walking away from a very long-term potential. I mean, whatever long-term relationship that you guys had, you've known this person for a very long time. You've shared many memories with this person, and maybe you were in a marriage together, but somebody is walking away now. Okay, and there may be some battle going on regarding stability and money and property or something like that. So beware, somebody is trying to trick the other person. So take care, okay? Look after yourself, and subscribe, like, share, and I'll see you soon for your July readings. Love and light.